These strategies are not get-rich-quick schemes, but rather real, sustainable business models where AI does the heavy lifting for you. Whether you're looking to design high-converting YouTube thumbnails, create SEO-optimized blog content, or build automated workflows for businesses, the opportunities are endless. So, let's dive in and explore how you can harness the power of AI to build a thriving, passive income stream. 1. AI thumbnail design, turning clicks into cash. One of the easiest ways to make money with AI is by offering AI-powered thumbnail design services. In the world of YouTube and other visual platforms, a well-designed thumbnail can be the difference between a video going viral or getting lost in the sea of content. That's where you come in as the AI thumbnail design expert. The beauty of this business model is that the cost to get started is relatively low, the effort required is moderate, and the potential for earnings is quite high, especially with the rise of personal brands and the demand for high-quality, attention-grabbing thumbnails. On the low end, you can make as much as $50 per day by creating just 5 thumbnails at $10 each. But on the high end, the earnings can be truly impressive, with some of my agency friends making $200 to $400 per day by delivering 4 to 8 high-quality thumbnails at $50 each. To get started, here's what you need to do. Analyze viral thumbnails. Study dozens of viral thumbnails in your chosen niche, using tools like 1 of 10 and View Stats to understand what makes them successful. Build a portfolio. Collect your favorite thumbnails to use as reference material when designing your own. Model best performers. Leverage the power of ChatGPT to upload your portfolio and use it as a foundation to create new, even better thumbnails. Once you've honed your skills, it's time to find customers. This is where the audit-to-deal process I teach comes in handy. Here's a quick overview. Pick a niche, choose an industry that you're passionate about and would love to create thumbnails for, such as automotive, personal development, or healthcare. Scrape the leads. Build a targeted list of potential buyers by researching on platforms like LinkedIn. Run an audit. Review the client's YouTube channel, provide suggestions on how to improve their thumbnails, and record a short Loom video showcasing your ideas. Offer your service. Propose a quick, low-cost offer to get your foot in the door, and then wow them with your work to secure long-term clients. By following this process, you can quickly establish yourself as the go-to AI thumbnail designer in your niche and start generating a steady stream of passive income. 2. AI blog generation, ranking in the age of AI. Another lucrative opportunity in the world of AI-powered content creation is AI blog generation. In a time when search is becoming the new chat prompt, companies are eager to rank their content within AI language models, ensuring their business is recommended when people seek solutions to their problems. The beauty of this business model is that the cost to get started is very low, the effort required is minimal, and the potential for earnings is medium to high. On the low end, you can earn around $10 per blog post, but on the high end, you could be making $200 to $500 per day by creating high-performing, SEO-optimized content. One of my clients, Timur, is a great example of someone who's leveraging AI to create SEO blog posts from podcast episodes for his clients, earning over $100,000 per month in the process. This demonstrates the power of AI in content creation and the potential it holds for savvy entrepreneurs. To get started with AI blog generation, follow these steps. Model and modify. Use tools like SEMrush or Ubersuggest to identify the top-performing blogs in your niche, and then use ChatGPT or similar AI tools to create a portfolio of writing samples inspired by these high-performing pieces. Rank and search. Utilize tools like Rank.ai to help your blog posts rank not only in Google but also in large language models like ChatGPT. Run the audit-to-deal process. Follow the same process outlined for the AI thumbnail design business to find and secure clients who are willing to pay for your AI-powered blog content. By mastering the art of AI-generated blog content, you can position yourself as a valuable asset to businesses looking to leverage the power of AI to improve their online visibility and reach. 3. The Faceless YouTube Channel, passive income from AI-powered videos. Another surprisingly lucrative opportunity in the world of AI-powered content creation is the Faceless YouTube channel. These are the channels you've likely seen where a person is talking, and there's a bunch of B-roll explaining the concept, but there's no one on screen. The kicker? These channels can generate hundreds of thousands of views and earn their creators $50, $60, or even $70,000 per month in YouTube ad revenue. The cost to start this type of business is medium, as you'll need some editing software and tools to get the job done. The effort required is also medium, as you'll need to develop storytelling and narrative skills to create engaging, high-performing content. However, the potential for earnings is high, as the more your channel grows, the more you'll make. On the low end, a small channel might only earn $10 to $50 per day, but on the high end, you could be making $500 per day or more by monetizing not only through the YouTube ad network but also through affiliate links and other revenue streams. Here's how to get started with your own Faceless YouTube channel. Pick a niche. Choose a category that you know you can sell affiliate products, brand deals, or high-paying CPM, cost per thousand, ads. Create your scripts. Use tools like ChatGPT to outline your scripts and find your unique narrative style. Build your avatar. Utilize tools like Synthesia or 11 Labs to generate a virtual AI avatar that can read your scripts and appear in your videos, without you ever being on camera. Post and iterate. Continuously refine and improve your videos, aiming to make each one 1% better than the last. By leveraging the power of AI to create engaging, high-performing YouTube content, you can build a passive income stream that continues to grow over time. 4. AI website building. Automating the web design process. As businesses continue to recognize the importance of having a strong online presence, the demand for affordable, high-quality websites has never been higher. This is where AI-powered website building comes into play, allowing you to create professional-looking websites for your clients at a fraction of the traditional cost. The beauty of this business model is that the cost to get started is low, the effort required is medium, due to some technical skills needed, and the potential for earnings is massively high. On the low end, you might make $100 per day by generating one new website per day for small businesses. But on the high end, you could be earning $500 to $1,000 per day by upselling your clients on additional services like AI-powered SEO, hosting, and automation. To get started with your AI website building business, follow these steps. Choose a no-code builder. Familiarize yourself with platforms like Framer AI, Bolt, or Relume, which make it easy to create professional-looking websites without extensive coding knowledge. Generate custom copy and visuals. Use ChatGPT to create the copy for your websites, and then leverage tools like Midjourney to generate custom visuals and imagery. Build example websites. Create 2 to 3 example websites that showcase your skills and can be used to demonstrate your capabilities to potential clients. Run the audit-to-deal process. Follow the same process outlined earlier to find and secure clients who are in need of affordable, high-quality website solutions. By positioning yourself as an AI-powered website builder, you can tap into the massive demand for online presence and offer your clients a cost-effective, efficient solution that sets you apart from traditional web design agencies. 5. AI Automation Agency, streamlining workflows for businesses. The final and perhaps most lucrative opportunity in the world of AI-powered income streams is the AI Automation Agency. By helping businesses streamline their workflows, reduce complexity, and increase their capacity to serve more customers, you can position yourself as a valuable asset and command premium rates. The cost to get started with an AI automation agency is medium, as you may need to invest in some software and tools. The effort required is also medium, as there is a learning curve involved. However, the potential for earnings is high, with the ability to make $200 to $2,500 per day, depending on the scope and complexity of the projects you take on. To get started with your AI automation agency, follow these steps. Create a course of action. Use ChatGPT to outline the top 10 steps you should take to start an automation agency. Master one automation use case. Instead of trying to be a jack of all trades, focus on becoming an expert in a specific area, such as cold outreach, team training, or onboarding automation. Join a community. Surround yourself with other professionals in the AI automation space, such as the communities led by Dave Ehler or Stephen Pope, to accelerate your learning and networking. Offer free problem solving. Reach out to potential clients and offer to solve a specific problem for free, in exchange for the opportunity to use the project as a case study. By mastering the art of AI automation and positioning yourself as a problem solver for businesses, you can build a thriving agency that generates a steady stream of passive income. Remember, the key to success in any of these AI-powered business models is to focus on providing value, solving real problems, and continuously improving your skills. With the right mindset and a willingness to learn, you can leverage the power of AI to create a sustainable, passive income stream that sets you up for long-term financial freedom.